What up, Raffleaders? Welcome back to my channel. We're back in Ogle. This is Ogle Airport Road, and I'm standing at the entrance to Prattville 2. This is the residential neighborhood that was built here since 2000? Yeah, about 20 years ago. And we're looking at the Ogle Airport Road now. The reason why I'm back in this neck of the woods now is because the government has officially announced that this road is under construction. So during the week that just is ending, government made an announcement that this road, which is referred to as the bypass road, the Ogle bypass road, that's going to connect Ogle with It's going to connect Ogle with the East Bank bypass road, which is Heroes Highway. They've announced officially that the construction of this road is underway, which I'm assuming means that it is being prioritized and should be completed shortly. This is residential neighborhood here in Prattville 2. Like I said, Prattville 2 is the neighborhood that was built during the last 20 years, from 2000 and onwards, when the government decided to separate a section of the land, previously sugar estate land belonging to the sugar plantation. They decided to separate this land and create a residential neighborhood for their
distance 6 miles. Duration 1 hour 33 minutes 52 seconds. Pace 20 minutes 40 seconds per mile.